Hello, Jeff Wilson with Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today I'd like to present to you a 2015, it's the Winnebago Vista in a 27N model. Probably the most popular floor plan ever built. Let's take a look inside. So a slide out here, and there's another slide on the far side, or over on your door side over there, to really open up this area. But they bring the lounge together nice with both the captain's chairs being able to swivel around and join in the lounge conversation. In the cockpit, you notice easy access with the rear view camera monitor, hydraulic level up with an automatic feature. Of course, you can adjust the mirrors from your side armrest over here. It's also got heated mirrors, so if you're in a cold traveling conditions, you don't have to worry about those mirrors getting all frozen up on you. TV in the lounge area, so works out really well. You've got the captain's chair spun around, easy access to view the TV, and then into the kitchen area. Now this slides out, slides back into this cutout right around the faucet. But great double basin sink for ease of use right there. And you've got a 110 plug-in right here at the face of your workspace, and another 110 plug-in over here for appliances, with a little bit of under sink storage available. And then all your main storage drawers. Nice big well-built drawers in the kitchen area, plus one big for pots and pans. So still going with the LP gas cook oven, and we've got a 3-burner cooktop with a nice big microwave overhead. And what do we got here? Excellent storage for all your dishes, plates, glasses, and keeping the refrigerator close to the cook area with a nice RV refrigerator. Added storage here you could use for kitchen items, or you might choose to use some for kitchen items and some for linen, and that puts you right over here into the bathroom. So nice big shower in the 27N, good potty area, easy access to the sink, and of course there's a built-in overhead fan in your vent to keep that hot moist air going out of there when you're in the shower. And then here, continuing as part of the slide out, so the slide goes all the way from the kitchen sink all the way back to here, with a built-in lowboy, full bank of drawers, nice pull-outs there, and then also entertainment here in the bedroom. So behind you, looking at the slide-out closet, and that's nice with the mirrored doors on it, and then an RV queen bed. So super wardrobe around the bed. You got hanging closet here, hanging closet on the other side, and also in your slide out wardrobe. So real good room in the bedroom for the 27N. So this coach has weathered very nice. It doesn't look like it's got any of that oxidation going in the color infused fiberglass. The decals are in really good shape. Maybe a little bit of a caught a branch on one, a couple little scrapes, and then your side hinge door, access to storage makes it just so much easier to access the storage boxes. Back here, we're looking at a little bit more storage under the water tank, and then more storage here, and that accesses from the rear of the coach as well. So this will access from the rear, to that storage box, and then access from this side here, and then access to the generator down below. All your hookups, and so there's going to be a pass-through to the bottom here, so you can bring your water hose up and in. And then your black and your gray dump, same thing, there's a pass-through at the bottom of this station, so you can take your sewer line down and out. This side of the coat shows very well also on the wear. It doesn't look like it's had that oxidation. Maybe a little bit of oxidation here in the trim moldings. But the front cap has weathered very, very well. The whole coach is in excellent condition. So again, a 2015 Winnebago Vista in a 27N. If you're interested in this one, please give me a call at the number listed below. Thank you.